My brothers and sisters, at the same time, our children are always watching us and they will never fail to imitate us. So if, let's say, a husband and wife are in a situation where the wife is very tired and she cannot always go over to the in-laws or to always go over to the places that her husband wants her to go, that's fine. Dear husband, do what you can within your ability. I know a family, mashallah, who've got a mother who has gone very old and their father had passed away. And, she likes to live in her house. She doesn't want to live with any of her children. She's the type, I like my house. I've got memories here, she says. So, alhamdulillah, the children made a roster. Each child goes and sleeps a night with their mother, boys and girls, brothers and sisters, alhamdulillah. And if anybody misses out, then someone else takes their turn and they have to take another turn. And alhamdulillah, they shared the love of their mother. It made their mother very proud that she doesn't have to sit there saying, you do this and you do that. They come together, the siblings, and they assist. And not one of them put the pressure on the sister-in-law or the brother-in-law. But when the sister-in-law saw this cooperation, all of them also went to help. Because in general, families want to bond and they want to be together. But please, brothers and sisters, know where the boundaries are and don't put pressure and obligations in areas where Islam did not allow you. I understand that cultures and customs are very strong and sometimes very, very difficult. But we do what we can. I know a brother who said to me, I did the marriage, and he said to me, I'm obliged to live with my mother. And, I love my mother and I love my father, but they're not in need. She has my father, my mother, alhamdulillah, they have a great income, everybody visits them. But, we've got 2 children now. My wife is unable to sit anywhere. Anybody can just come in and out and she has no privacy whatsoever. I said, what does your mother say? He says, my mother says, they're like your brothers. And on Eid, they come and hug and kiss and they shake her hand and she sits down with her hijab off. This is haram. So in Islam, when there is darar, when there is harm, then we have to respect and cover that harm. Now, if the son is unable to live with his parents, that's okay. Then you share with your siblings and you go and visit your parents on a daily basis if you can. The obligation is on the child. The obligation of my mother and father is on me. And I've got to do whatever I can out of birr. And this is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has obliged me. Anything extra, alhamdulillah, is your reward into paradise. And will only make your children grow to be giving and generous and loving.